Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the kids pattern making, kids sleeve pattern making. Okay, so kids sleeve pattern making, the sizes I have given to you. Please go through the standard size according to the book, that is the Helen Joseph Armstrong 5th edition book. That is the best book you can refer for the pattern making. So in that, according to that book, I have taken the sizes of kids, that is the 6x. Okay, so if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. एंड प्लीज़ तो अभी क्लास प्लीज़ किड्स वेयर किड्स का स्लीव बना रहे हो. ओके, तो यहाँ पे साइज़ मैंने ली है 6x का साइज़ लिया है, जिसमें आपका स्लीव लेंथ है, सॉरी ये लेंथ है, टेंट नहीं है, लेंथ है 16.5 इंचेस, यानी स्लीव का जितना लेंथ. ये स्लीव कैप है 4.75 इंचेस और बाइसेप्ट है 10.25 इंचेस. तो स्लीव लेंथ यानी ये जो शोल्डर है यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक आपका, दिस इज़ योर स्लीव लेंथ. ओके, स्लीव लेंथ के बाद आपका कैप हाइट यहाँ नहीं, यहाँ से यहाँ तक आपका कैप हाइट. ओके, और इसके बाद बाइसेप राउंड, यानी बाइसेप राउंड आपका ये राउंड. ओके, ये वाला. अभी यहाँ पे आर्म होल राउंड नहीं दिया है, आर्म होल राउंड नहीं दिया है. ओके, ये तो बड़ा बच्चा है, बड़े बच्चे का नहीं लेना है, हम लोग किड्स का बना रहे हैं. मैं आपको सिर्फ इसमें कॉन्सेप्ट समझा रही हूँ. ये जो व्हाट इज स्लीव लेंथ, कैप हाइट और बाइसेप्ट. ओके, तो ये मैंने किड्स का मेजरमेंट लिया है. ओके, तो अब मैं 1/4 स्केल से बनाऊंगी. ओके, दिस इज़ माय 1/4 स्केल. आप लोग 1/4 स्केल को रिप्लेस करके आप लोग अपना फुल साइज मेजरिंग टेप यूज़ कर सकते हो. ओके, द प्रोसेस विल बी द सेम, all the process will be the same. You just have to replace your 1/4 scale into the full size scale. Okay, now we will start. Okay, A to B. What is the A to B? A to B is the full sleeve length. A to B is 16.5 inches. A 16.5 inches. This is my A to B. A and B. Okay, now cap height. Cap height A to C. Cap height is 4.75. To A0 4.75 over here. This is my C. So make it horizontal line from here like this way. Okay, now C to E. C to E is nothing but your half of bicep round. Half of bicep round is can you hold for a second? C to E if I'm not. Okay, C and B we have to take the midpoint of it. So यहाँ पे 11.75 हुआ, तो if you take 10.5.6, this is your point D. Okay, now C to E is half of, यानी 10.25 का कितना हुआ बाइसेप? 5.12 हुआ. ओके, तो 5.12 each side. This is F and this is E. Okay, now you got E, F. Okay, so join this part like this way. Okay, give the 4 equal division. Means E to A. What is the length of E to A? We have to measure that. Is around 7 inches. Divide by 4 means 7 inches divided by 4. Make it 1.75. So you have to take 1.75 each side. This 1, 2 and 3. So this name is G H I. Okay, same the other side also. Okay, J K L. Okay, so now what you have to do is from here G, this measurement is similar, right? It's shown 1/4, 1 divided by 4. 1 is G 0.14. This over here is 1/4. H is also 1/4. Okay, this is 1/2. Okay, this one is half. No, there is a difference. Okay, this is 1/4 and this is also half. Okay, what it means? It means that you have to take half 0.25 inside. You have red mark. Okay, I'll show with the red color. 0.25 inside. This is inside. Over here is half 0.25 outside. This one, and 0.5 up. Okay, means half inches up. Over here you have to take half inches up again. This one 0.25 up, okay, and this one inside. Okay, so this one is the sleeve cap. Okay, we are going to make the sleeve cap. In the big size sleeve cap, there is a little bit difference in this. I will explain you people. Okay, so now give me a French curve. Stop. Now this part is done. I will take the curve part. Okay, you can do this way also. You can do this way. Okay, mark this one like same. Okay, F and E mark is done. Now B to M. B to M, what is the distance of CE? CE distance is 5.51. Once again, C to E is 5.25. Okay, 5.25 is there. So 1 inch is less. So 4.25 we have to take. This is your M, and N is same 4.25 over here. N. Okay, join this part, E and M, F and N. So this is your front part, this is your back part, kid sleeve. Okay, size 6x as per the Helen and Joseph Armstrong book 5th edition. Okay, done.
Thank you for watching.
Okay, I need a more followers, so please do this. Thank you.